pregnant. Then she gave birth to Cain and said, I have produced a male child with the help of Jehovah. Later she again gave birth to his brother Abel. Abel became a shepherd of flock, but Cain became a cultivator of the ground. After some time, Cain brought some fruits of the land as an offering to Jehovah, but Abel brought some firstling of his flock, including their fat. While Jehovah looking with favor on Abel and his offering, he did not look with any favor on Cain and his offering. So Cain grew hot with anger and was dejected. Then Jehovah said to Cain, why are you so angry and dejected? If you do not turn to doing good, will you not be restored to favor? But if you do not turn to doing good, sin is crouching at the door, and its craving is to dominate you, but you get the mastery over it. After that, Cain said to his brother Abel, let us go over into the field. So while they were in the field, Cain assaulted his brother Abel and killed him. Later on, Jehovah said to Cain, where is your brother Abel? And he said, I do not know. Am I my brother's guardian? At this he said, what have you done? Listen, your brother's blood is crying out to me from the ground. And now you are cursed in banishment from the ground, that has opened his mouth to receive your brother's blood from your hands. When you cultivate the ground, it will not give you back its produce. You will become a wanderer and a fugitive in the earth. And this Cain said to Jehovah, the punishment for my error is too great to bear. Today you are driving me from the land, and I'll be hidden from your face. And I'll become a wanderer and a fugitive on the earth. And anyone who finds me will certainly kill me. So Jehovah said to him, for that reason, anyone who killed Cain will suffer vengeance 7 times. So Jehovah set up aside for Cain in order that no one finding him would strike him. Then Cain went away from before Jehovah and took up residence in the land of exile to the east of Eden.